welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hi, welcome. My name is May. I love having you here. So I hope you enjoyed this little segment thingy that I did for packing up my sister's order. And as you might have seen, I have some new thank you cards, and I haven't shown you yet, but like if you follow me on Instagram, I think you should have seen it already, depending on when I've posted it and when the video anyway. But here they are. So I've just designed them on Canva. I'm covering like the part that has the code. So I designed it on Canva, and then I've ordered it through free prints, and you can get like 45 free prints in a month. The only thing is they can't be 45 of the same, which I didn't know, but I still got them for very cheap. I got now, like I printed them on like 10 by 15, I believe. So I got 2 out of them, so I got like 30 for €3, which is not bad. And yeah, so I like redesigned it a bit, and then as you saw in the clip, I can write the customer's name in it when they order, like the name that they ordered, and then a little thank you code, and then all my socials are under there. I really like it. I really like how it turned out. I didn't do the best in cutting it straight, or at least I think it's straight. It's not even, so one is like 10 by maybe 7, and the other one is 10 by 8, something like that. But that doesn't matter because no one will know. If they received it, no one will know, except for you guys now watching this video. I will take some product photos of my scrunchies that I've made, because I might be thinking in opening my website. I don't know. I just need very good quality pictures to be able to do that, so that's what I want to do now, and then I could put you on like a little time lapse. And yeah, so if you need to do anything, or you want to just like do the dishes or do some household chores, put this on and we can do stuff together. So I think that's gonna be it for today's video. You can stay tuned to see how the photos will turn out. I have no idea. I'm very new in these type of things. I don't know how to make items inanimate objects look cute. I have no idea how to do that, so I gave the best that I can without buying any props or so, and we'll see how that goes. So yeah, I've put them up and everything, and I think it's quite cute. I've worked a bit on some things, so if you wanna have a sneak peek, here it is. So here's the sneak peek I've been working on. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, that's enough. So to see the whole website and everything else, you need to stick around, and I don't know when yet, I don't know how yet, I don't know what yet. I just have it, and if it will be up is up. I'll see if it's according to my standards, and of course I'll let you know. I wanted to actually make towel scrunchies for myself, honestly, just for myself, because I don't know if you ever had the problem that when you wash your face, like I have that problem, but apparently my husband does not have that problem. I don't know why. I don't understand. But that when you wash your face, water like drips down your sleeve, and it's really annoying. And then I'll be doing like that little insects rubbing off the arms together so that the water doesn't drip to my elbow. Yeah, that's the problem I'm having. So I actually want to make towel scrunchies for that, so that they won't be going everywhere. The water won't be dripping on my socks and on the floor and stuff. But the only thing is I don't really have the time. I don't have towels laying around that I could use, so meaning I would need to go to the store and purchase some towels. And I've been to like the grocery store today. I don't know, maybe like I'll be going to IKEA tomorrow. Maybe I can sneak in like a little towel, because the thing is I kind of only have tomorrow, next tomorrow time. We'll see, maybe I can squeeze something in still later in the week. But yeah, because I'm planning on braiding my hair. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of it. I've been occupying myself with this for the last couple of days. And I've come to the conclusion on when I want to use this. I will use it from the 1st of May. So it could be that I publish and launch everything the 1st of May. That is soon. I don't know if I'm ready, because then I need to start promoting it or like advertising it. I need to figure all of that out, because I don't know, because with Etsy you just put it and Etsy does the ads, you pay Etsy and they do it for you. And then with like having your own website, you need to bring in the ads and you need to bring in the people, and I don't know if I am able to do that. So yeah, but from the 1st of May, if you potentially order from my website or you order from Etsy, if you land on any of these colored hearts, you get a freebie. And yeah, I hope you liked this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any tips or tricks on photographing or website or anything whatsoever that you can be of assistance to me. And then I'll see you in another video. Bye.